For today's edition of The Law and You, we're going to talk about a question: what happens if you fired for maybe being sick? Joining us with the answers are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli from Kingston. Guys, good to see you today.
Thank you, Dave.
All right, let's get to this question. Maybe something that has happened to you or someone you know in the past. Over the course of the last year, I have been in and out of the hospital and had to miss time from work. Now I just got fired. They are telling me it has nothing to do with being sick, but I think they are lying. What can I do?
Well, first of all, I'm sorry that you've been put in this situation. There are very specific laws out there, the American with Disabilities Act. There's very specific workers' compensation laws here in Pennsylvania. If you are sick and it's been documented, your employer simply cannot fire you for being sick. So if you have documented the days that you've missed because you've had to go to the hospital, or you've been going to doctor's appointments, your employer simply cannot get rid of you. And if they do, then you can take legal action against them in the form of trying to get your wages for your job paid back to you.
And what will happen, though, your employer is going to take the position that in Pennsylvania you're an employee at will state. So what that means is they can fire you for basically anything, and they will come up with a reason, or they will have documented their file showing deficiencies in your work, which would say, hey, look, we have every reason and right to fire this person, and that'll be the employer's spin on why they're getting rid of you. So you have to be prepared for that, and make sure if your employment history is good and you have a great track record, you're going to have to go back to that and look at that to dispute what the employer is saying.
All right, don't forget, Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. For our viewers that need your help, how can they reach you?
The best way is they can see us at the web at 714hurt.com. They can call the office at 570-714-HURT.
Or you can find us on Facebook, and when you like us on Facebook, if you have a question that you want answered, post it on our Facebook page, and we'll do our best to answer it on the next Law and You edition.
All right, that's going to do it for today's edition of The Law and You. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
And you can get your question answered right here on the show by just visiting PAHomepage.com.